24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. I welcome you on behalf of the Snowman publishers to an online tutorial on section 5 of the chapter 5 of Science Grade 4, which covers the topic electric circuit. The video will cover working of an electric circuit, transformation of electrical energy into heat, light, and sound. So let's get started with the teaching plan. Greet the students with a welcoming smile and say Assalamu alaikum. Ask them, how are you all? Write the word electricity on the board. The word electricity is a common one, something that the students have used themselves. So, make use of their memory. You may introduce the topic by asking simple questions such as, can you recall some uses of electricity? Can you tell what things in your classroom use electricity to work? Seek volunteers to answer your question. Include the following details in your discussion. Electricity is a type of energy. Electricity that travels through wires and is called current. Ask the students if they have seen a bolt of lightning in the sky. Tell them to describe how it looks like. Explain that lightning is the form of electricity which exists naturally. Describe to your students that electricity is one way that can make artificial light and power to help us do things. We make electricity in powerhouses and transport it to different places through wires and circuits. We will now learn about a simple electric circuit. Draw the diagram of a simple electric circuit on the board. Tell the students to look at the circuit diagram in their books and tell the names of different components of the circuit you drew on the board. This will help them easily remember the circuit and say aloud the names of components. Explain the working of the circuit by drawing arrows and marking plus and minus in the correct places. For a better explanation, you may arrange a small battery, a tiny bulb with a wire to show a simple circuit. Later, you can seek volunteers to tell what different components in the circuit are called. Explain to the students that we do not consume electricity directly just like food. Instead, we transform it into different forms to put it to use. Sometimes we transform it into heat and other times we use it to produce light and sound for us. Then, as an activity, show flashcards or write names of different objects on the board such as TV, bulb, electric heater, geyser, audio system, AC, oven, etc. Ask the students to identify whether these objects transform energy into heat, light, or sound and write H, L, or S in front of them. If you are saying aloud the names of objects, tell them to say heat, light, or sound together loudly. For homework, you can ask the students to draw the diagram of electric circuit in their notebooks and label it. Thank you, Honorable Teacher, for your listening. Allah Hafiz.